Hey, Lexus enthusiasts! Welcome to my channel. Today, we've got something special for all the 2010 to 2024 Lexus RX owners out there, a comprehensive maintenance light reset guide. The maintenance light serves as a reminder for routine service. It doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong, but it's crucial not to ignore it. So let's dive into the steps to reset it. In this section, I'm walking you through resetting the 2010 to 2015 Lexus RX 350 maintenance light, but I think this will also work for RX 450h. So the first thing you need to do is, Step 1. Press the start button twice without depressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Use the trip button on the left of the steering wheel to get the trip A on the cluster screen. Step 3. Pushing the start switch once to turn it off. Step 4. Hold the trip button down, and then you're going to press the start button 2 times in a row. Step 5. Continue to hold down the trip button, and you'll see the blinking backward light, then change to 0, and you're done. Now, I will show you how to reset an oil maintenance light on a 2016 to 2022 Lexus RX. So let me guide you through the procedure. Step 1. Get in the car and turn on the ignition. Step 2. Scroll through the menu with the direction button on the steering wheel to navigate to the settings menu. Step 3. Scroll down until you reach the vehicle settings and hit the center button. Step 4. Select Oil Maintenance or Schedule Maintenance. Step 5. When a confirmation dialog appears, select Yes to reset the maintenance data. If you have a 2023 to 2024 Lexus RX, you can reset the maintenance light by using the center screen. So let's go see together how this task is done. Step 1. Turn on the car. Step 2. Tap on gear icon on the center screen. Step 3. Then you're going to go to Vehicle Customize. Step 4. Next, you're going to go ahead and go to the utility. Step 5. See on the right and tap on Oil Maintenance or Schedule Maintenance. Step 6. When a confirmation dialog appears, select Reset to confirm it. So there you have it. Now all maintenance data has been reset. So if you go back, there are no more messages to show. I hope this will save someone distress if they don't have the user manual. Thank you for your time and have a great day.